Ever feel like you're basically a stiff, over-caffeinated stress gremlin? Like your body's just not cooperating? Yeah, same. We sit too much, we breathe like we're trying to dodge a breathalyzer test, and then we wonder why everything hurts. Let's talk about it. Look, this is bigger than just being stiff. This isn't just about feeling stiff or a little stressed. It's about what's happening under the hood when you're constantly feeling in a low-grade fight or flight state, sitting too much, breathing poorly, never fully recovering. Your body sees it as chronic stress, and stress, it's not just uncomfortable, it's biologically corrosive. Here's what's actually happening. Your body responds to stress by pumping out cortisol and inflammatory chemicals. That's fine in short bursts, like running from danger. But when it's all day, every day, it wrecks everything. Your metabolism, your immune system, even how long you live. Look, with this series, I'm not trying to sell you some type of hack or magic fix, gimmick, or get rich quick scheme here. I'm just here to try to explain to people how your body actually works, because I think that we live in a society currently where a lot of people are just unfortunately completely unaware of what's going on within themselves. And I'm hoping that maybe this will do some due diligence and help someone out. So we'll see. Chronic stress and inflammation are behind most major diseases. Heart disease, diabetes, even cognitive decline. And the crazy part? The way we live today, slouching, overstimulated, barely breathing, it's all keeping us in that state without even us realizing. Look, now more than ever, with the way times are, if you feel like total garbage, maybe it's time to change how you move, breathe, and recover. So if you want to start feeling better without doing anything ridiculous, subscribe. Or don't, and keep wondering why your back hates you. Your call. Hey, thanks for making it all the way through the video. So our next video, the first video in this series, is going to be on sympathetic and parasympathetic drive. It's going to basically set the stage for everything else that I'm going to be talking about. So if today really interested you, like and subscribe, watch that first video, and then every preceding video should make even more sense. So thanks again for watching the video. Y'all have a great day.